download, download. We hear this word with two different stress patterns, but what's the difference between the two? If we put the stress on the load, that's when it's a verb. Download. I need to download those photos onto my USB stick. Download, download. This is a download. If it's a noun, we put the stress on the first syllable. Download. How many downloads have you processed? Download. Make sure for both of the vowels in these words that you're putting lots of movement into them, lots of lip movement especially. Down, down. We need to start with the tongue in a front position for the ah, and then we need to move to a small round position, pulling the tongue back. Ow, ow, dow. Even when you add an N, if you speak Chinese or another Asian language, be careful, particularly when ow comes